IOTSU VARMA helps you automatically and free of maintenance collect information that is based on verified measurements from indoor environment, whether it's a housing apartment, an office building, a school, or a building for care of elderly. In addition to temperature and air humidity, IOTSU VARMA can monitor other important factors for clean air, giving you an extensive overall view of the situation. The solution is maintenance-free and is straightforward to install securely. It's not dependent on any existing IT infrastructure and requires no complicated and expensive cabling. Whether the solution ends up in an office, a classroom, or in an apartment, it's quick to get started and you start to benefit from day one. Are you interested to learn more about the IOTSU VARMA and how we can help you improve your air quality, property value, and energy consumption? We are glad to tell you more. Contact us today.